Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I shall show you how you can make online income from your e-commerce store, and today I shall show you how a website can give you passive income. So let's start. So this is a website, e-commerce website, and this is a demo website where you can see some theme design, some theme for e-commerce store. Usually this is a clothing store for men, women, and they have some different type of products. So if you own a e-commerce store, by selling your products from your own website, you can easily make money from online. So if you look at this website, this is a home page. So this is written raining offers for hot summer, 25% off on all products. This is a shop now button. So this is the categories, 20% off on tank tops, and if I click here, this will redirect me to the discount page in the original website. This is the featured products you can use. Suppose you are selling your sneakers, your jeans, so those products should be featured like this. And even they are also offering some jewelries like bangle bracelets, like some bags, and there is a tab here, limited time offer, special edition. Suppose you are offering a special discount or a special edition, you can add here like this. So this is looks amazing. So this is another tab, worldwide shipping. I mean, suppose you are located in New Zealand, suppose, and you want to promote or sell your products to all over the world, you can easily make it. And this is the tab, worldwide shipping, best quality. Your products should be best quality, best offers, and secure payments. Payment is one of the important part, I mean most important part in e-commerce. So this is their footer. So this is the home page. You can exactly create your own e-commerce store, e-commerce website like this. I will go to main section now. So this is the main section. There are some hoodies, there are some jeans, t-shirts, some sneakers. The more product you will add, the more product will be showcased here. If I will click women sector, there are some bracelets, jeans, handbags, jewelries, some t-shirts. So this is the showcase, I mean this is the demo. The more product you will you will upload, the more product will be shown here. And if I get in accessories, there are some accessories here. So this is a simple eye-catching website. They have their app store in for iPhone, and for Android they have Google Play. So this website can be made in very easy steps, and it will take only few hours. It can be 2 hours or 3 hours to make this website. So I hope you have got there. And if you really want to make some online money, you can create your own website. It costs very low. For domain you need only $10. For hosting you need more $10, $20. And to design this good beautiful website, I will offer you only $50. Total $70 will be your charge, and you can start your online business. And I will also add payment method for you. Will also add the shipping, inventory, responsive design, eye-catching website, and yes, I will also give you this extra theme totally free, and on page SEO 1 month SEO free. In all this package included with only $70. $10 for domain, $10 for hosting. And if you have domain and hosting, you don't need to pay extra $20. Just pay $50 and get your e-commerce store done today. Thank you. Let's have another video tomorrow.